Okay, so I'm in London. One night in London, like one night in Bangkok, and I'm just heading home. And it's a Monday night, but you would think it's a weekend. There's a boba place there. There's so many people out. It's insane. Now I'm in Soho, so this is a theater district. That's Chinatown. Kung Fu Noodle. Chinatown is actually very cool. Good food. And Les Mis have moved. When I first saw Les Mis in London, it was at a different theater. I think that theater now has Harry Potter there. I think that's the deal. But that's Chinatown. And I'm walking towards Piccadilly Circus to catch my train. Waiting for a ride, I guess, I don't know. Or a delivery. Probably waiting for a delivery. It's a bit chilly actually. Probably in the 60s. Chinese medicine, because I'm walking through Chinatown. And the thing about this is the theater district, Apollo Theater. Not the same Apollo Theater like London. We have become kind of a lazy society. Like we order everything now. And so it's good because it's, as a delivery person, it's great. Nobody wants to do anything. I'll do it for you. But London, there's something about central London that just brings people out in droves. Got the tobacco and rum shop, food and wine shop. There's actually a bus stop here. And a Mickey D's. Now this McDonald's inside this really old building. I think Albertson Slosh, which is St. James's Tavern, Zedwell, and down here, whoa, you're gonna run that lady over for no reason. I don't know if I'm going the right way, maybe I am. I don't know. Need a place to rent? It's empty. And this is the famous Piccadilly Circus. There's like so much going on in Piccadilly Circus. That's Regent Street. That goes up that corner there. Remember, I hear you walk on the left. So I guess these are just people who are... Oops, sorry. People who are... Look, it's a yellow backpack rope. So my guess is that people are doing the dance thing. This is typical to what they do in the US. Now these cars, so what they did, they redid the black cab. So these are electric, but they look identical almost to the original black cabs, except they're electric, that's all. I'm trying to see if I can find one. Okay. I'm not a steak fan, but I'm always thinking that I should go to Angus Steaks at some point. This is Five Guys. One thing you realize when you travel is the American, the influence of America is everywhere. So there's a Five Guys here. I believe Angus Steakhouse is also in the US. Yeah, these guys, you can pay them to get ready to go Kingdom of Treats. This is a Monday night, people. So everybody's up, but it's summer, right? So I guess it makes sense. It's summer, it's not very hot. It's awesome. Souvenir mega store. Hot pot restaurant. Over the years as I come to London, I've realized that the city has changed. Like, you didn't have a lot of these places were not here before. Right now we're walking into Leicester Square. The Book of Mormon is showing here at the Prince of Wales Theatre. Looks like it just finished. So, like, I'm sorry, they do have a congestion charge when people drive in London. So all these people are paying the congestion charge. Little Britannia. So right now I'm walking from Piccadilly Square down to Leicester Square. See, there's a Shake Shack. And there's so many people here. So we're coming up on Leicester Square. Now, if you're ever here, there is, I think this is the W Hotel. Doesn't look like it, but it is. The entrance is down there on the right. The M&M store is here. So if you want to get some M&Ms, that's the place to go. It's the M&M store. And over here is the Lego store. There's usually a line to get into the Lego store, but I guess not tonight. But I'm gobsmacked that there's so much place in here. Greg's is a place where you can get hot sandwiches, I guess, in the UK. They're all over the place. And this is American Idol. No. This is Leicester Square. So Leicester Square, when you see they have movie premieres in London, they're held right here. They're held right in the square. I don't know if it's this one. It probably is. It probably is at Empire Theatre that they have all the movie premieres that they have in London. So normally here is blocked off. All the movie stars are here, and you can't get in. There's also another movie theater over there. And look, there's a Jollibee. Jollibee is like the Burger King of the Philippines. And there's one over there. And speaking of Burger King, there's a Burger King right there. There's a Hippodrome Casino. Did you know you can go to a casino in London? So this is Leicester Square. That's the Odeon Theatre. Now Odeon, we have in Jamaica, we have Odeon. And of course Jamaica's a colony, a British colony, right? So guess where Odeon came from? So that's the Jollibee, that's the Pizza Hut, that's the Burger King. I feel like I'm on the US now, because we do have Jollibees now. Harry Potter souvenirs, the Horizon Casino, and that is a famous Empire Theatre, which I believe is where they have all those premieres. But they have them in here, so pretty much it's got to be the Empire Theatre. So that's your quick little tour of Leicester Square, as well as Piccadilly Circus. And that's London for you. Way too many people on a Monday night. It's insane.